Never fear, 'cause Dan the Man is here. And we're here to do my very first vlog. Vlog time. Cue intro. My friends, Dan the Man here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going for the Joya by vape only. If it'll freaking... There we go. Lord have mercy. I hate when it does that. If you want a screenshot of that or whatever you got to do. There we go. Alright, there it is. Now, this is going to be real quick, and it's actually going to be slash Joya pod slash vlog, if you will. A little bit of get to know Dan the Man. Now, there's a clip that just will not upload. No, it'll upload, but it... Needless to say, I've done this. This is like the 4th time I've did this. Right here. Joya slash vlog. I use, for editing, okay? I use Movie Maker. And it's not that bad. It's free. So, for being a free software, it's not bad. But it's not that good either. It's not like I want my stuff to look good. I want it to. Anyways, obviously I do, right? Because continually wanting to get better. But the Movie Maker will not take something I had on my phone and put it in with what I'm filming now on my Logitech webcam, yeah, that's what I use. I use a webcam. Basically, it's all, you don't need to hear my sob story. Anyway, God, my whole train of thought, right out the shitter. And now I'm cussing already. I've had a rough week, man. Now what I want is the Adobe Premiere. I would love to get the Pro if you can do it with like one payment. I'd save my money up and do that, but I'm not sure if that's possible. I want Adobe Premiere, either way you look at it, the Pro or the not Pro. But you got to pay for both of them. And if I want my stuff to get better, then I got to do that. I do want my stuff getting better, and so I will do that. Including getting a better camera someday. That's in the future, isn't it? So, the Joya pod system. Goes on this little thing here. Alright? I tried it like that. Tried it like that, tried it like that, tried it like that. It goes like this. That's how it's supposed to fit. And I knew it didn't fit the greatest, but I didn't think it would just fall off and then I would lose it within 4 hours of having the thing. And that's exactly what happened. I was outside with my dog, letting him walk around the yard, and I wanted y'all to have some of that footage. But you know, see me interacting in the world, in real life. Whatever that is, real life. Because I don't know what real life is. I'm afraid of real life. So the Joya by vape only. Nice little box, which I will enjoy using for other things. You can see how it was shaped that way. I mean, you get all the same junk that you get with everything, and that's what it'll look like. The middle panel has like just a design or whatever, and I can't give you any of my impressions because what would they be worth? I only had it for 4 hours. So I can tell you this, it was nice and light, fit real nice in the hand, and vaped okay. It's a pod system. It's only $14 over at healthcabin.net, and I won this from healthcabin.net. Another win. You know what? Last month I won 4 giveaways. That's awesome, right? That's good karma. That's good karma. I give almost all of my stuff away. I give a lot of my things away because I want to help smokers quit smoking. If you watch my channel and you need something like say the product I'm reviewing, if you need it, you leave a message, and if I'm able to, it's yours. If I'm not able to, then we'll figure something else out. I will help you get something to vape with. If you're a new vapor or you haven't started vaping, you're a smoker and you want to quit, leave a message and I'll get you something. If you live, I'm in the United States and shipping is just horrendous all around the world for some reason. In that case, we'll figure something else out. Maybe order something and have it sent to your address or something like that. Or a gift card, and then you can do your own thing. You know, something like that. Don't be shy to ask for something, though. That's my point. It says, I read something somewhere. You don't have because you don't ask. Don't let pride keep you from getting something you need. So, just ask. I'm a giver at heart anyways. Alright, that's that. The Joya. Baked real nice, didn't it, guys? And this is slash vlog also. So we're getting to know Dan the Man, and so the cool thing is I can go on my tangents and follow where the trail may lead, which isn't always a good place. That's good coffee, y'all. I'll be starting a new channel soon. Let me give you a little bit of something. A little bit of something about getting to know Dan the Man, right? My whole life, okay, when I was in high school when I was a freshman I barely weighed 100 pounds. So once I started lifting weights and stuff, I got a little heavier because of muscle weight is heavier than fat. But in my 30s, I injured myself. But I still stayed at my weight until I was injured so bad that I couldn't move anymore. And now I have a sedentary lifestyle. I'm not out doing a lot of things because the pain is too great. The point is, I gained 80 pounds in like 6 months. So it was almost overnight. I was skinny and then I was fat. And if me calling myself fat, if me saying someone's fat is offensive to you, then I apologize. I don't know, get over it maybe? What can I say? I don't want to be a dick, but if you're fat, man. And I'm fat. You want to see my fat? get up and show you how fat I am. So, I'll tell you what. I always used to say, I don't care if I get fat. Well, I don't give a shit what people think about me. And it's true, I don't. Unless they're thinking nice things, then I care. So, the reason I don't like being fat is because it's hard to be fat. Shit, man. Speaking of shit, man, bathroom duties have become more difficult. Putting on my shoes, getting from the ground to up is difficult. There's a lot of difficult things with being fat. All of my none of my clothes fit anymore. I had to buy new clothes because I was fat. I can't get rid of it. Granted, I can't do a lot of exercise. But there's got to be some way. So I've been doing a lot of research on losing weight. It's amazing to me because there's so many damn money-hungry, grubby-ass mother effers out there that here's this new diet. It's the best. All the other diets, they haven't worked. This one's going to work for you because it's the shit. Well, of course, you got to pay us X amount of money. Oh, okay. Well, if it's so damn good, then yeah, it's worth that X amount of money. Okay, well that one didn't work, did it? Well, here comes the next one. Only an X amount of money. Oh, that one didn't work either. Here comes the next one. All espousing how wonderful their program is, and it's going to help you. They and I did not take into account is that we're all different. So one diet might work for one, won't work for the other. So I am going to change my diet. Oh yeah. I'm going to start a new channel. And I think, well, there's one I want to start for sure. I want to find a cryptid. That's that. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I was going to do what I'm vaping and who I watch for YouTube reviewers. And I think I will. Let's do what I watch for YouTube reviewers. Who I watch. For instance, Grim Green. I watch Grim Green, even though there was a time when I didn't watch him because he repeated himself so much that it just, it just drove me nuts. But I got over that. The guy is pretty good at this YouTube game here. And especially the YouTube review, vape review. He's really good at it. He changes up his style, if you will, every once in a while. So anyways, him. Suck My Mod, which he doesn't go by that anymore, which I'm thankful for. I didn't watch him for years and years just because of the name. I hated it. But I finally did watch him, maybe about 7 or 8 months ago. And damn, I wished I would have started watching him sooner. What I can learn from him is his videos are informative, well thought out, and concise. And short. So if I want to know about a product and he did a review on it, I can get everything right there, just lickety split pretty quick, and he doesn't go off on tangents. Alright, indoor smokers. Love the shit out of him. I love that guy. He is so funny. He cracks me up. Todd's reviews. I actually watch Rip Tripper sometimes. I'm not subscribed to his channel, but if nobody else has the product, the review, then I'll watch his. I don't hate him like a lot of people do. He's a strange character, no doubt. I don't know if he really acts like that in real life or if that's just his YouTube persona. Anywho. Oh no, I just said that the first time in this video. I'm trying to cut it out. We're at 16, almost 17 minutes. Plus I'll trim some of that off. Who else? P. Basardo, I'll watch his. especially at Christmas time. He takes all of the product he gets throughout the year, puts it in this big giant Christmas bag, and gives it away to one person. That's awesome. And he doesn't have easy giveaways. You gotta like sometimes figure it out. Anyhow, I don't watch all of his, but I do watch some. Especially if it's a mouth to lung device and I'm interested in it. Who else? Who else? Who else? Zophie Vapes. No, I don't watch her vape review channel. She has another one called Just Zophie. And it's a girl channel. I'm not embarrassed. Much. No, I'm not embarrassed at all to watch that channel. It's a girl channel. But I'm secure enough in my manhood. But it is so funny, man. She is hilarious. Now, there's a girl that don't care what people think about her. She does the craziest stuff. She's just funny. So I watch her, and that's about it, right? 18 minutes. There will be a review coming out for this. It's an Vape. It's called the Micro Anti-Social Way. I'm going to zoom in on that right there. There it is. So, I got to tell you, man, I'm impressed with this little thing. All my other mouth to lungs have been languishing on the sidelines for days now. Anyhow, this is Danny Man, my friends, and I am going to cut it here. I am going to sign out with a vape. Boom, boom. Peace. Peace. One more time. Peace. 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 I don't know what's wrong with me. We've never figured it out.